Hello everyone. So this is a continuing training session on Outlook 2016, and today we'll be discussing on how to customize the ribbon in Outlook 2016. So in my previous sessions I have mentioned what do you mean by a navigation pane, what is a reading pane, what is a title bar, what do you mean by a quick access toolbar, and also what is a ribbon. And that's the topic for today. So as you can see here, where I've pointed my cursor, so this area is the ribbon. Okay. Now this ribbon is divided into different groups. You can see new, you can see a delete, you can see a respond, the quick steps, move, tags, find, so on and so forth. Now within each of these groups, you can see several commands. So within the new group, you can see here the new email, new items. Within the delete group, you have some commands like ignore, cleanup, junk, delete, archive. And within the respond group, still. So within each group, there are certain commands that been picked up from the Outlook 2016 program, and it's been customized here. Now, so my objective is to create or is to add a new group within the home tab. So this is a tab. Home is a tab. Send or receive is also called as a tab. And folder is another tab, view is another tab. So like I said, my goal is to create a new group, another group, and I need to place some commands in that customized group. So let's move ahead. So in order to customize, right click on the ribbon. So you'll get a few options: add to quick access toolbar, customize quick access toolbar, show quick access toolbar below the ribbon, customize the ribbon. So this is the option that you need to select, customize the ribbon. Click on it. Now on the left hand side, you can see certain commands, and on the right hand side, you can see the tabs and the commands and the groups which you're gonna customize. So like I said, my goal is to create another group or a new group within the home tab. Okay, so just click on the speech button or anywhere within this home tab and click on new group. So now you can see a new group is being added. Right click on this group and rename. Okay, so the display name that I want to see for my new group is, let's say, latest. Just a simple or any name you can provide here. Also, you can provide a simple which would represent this group. So I'm simply or randomly clicking on this symbol, the receiver symbol or the telephone symbol, clicking on OK. So now a new group is created, and now you need to add certain commands to this group. So without adding any commands to that particular group, this group doesn't make any sense, right? So the commands can be added from the left hand side. Now you can see a very few commands here, but not all. That's, as you see here, these are just the popular commands or the widely used or frequently used commands. So if you want to see all the commands that the Outlook can offer, you click on this drop down menu and then click on all commands. Now here you can see plenty of commands, and I'll just click on cleanup and add to this group. So before adding this command, make sure your group to which you need to add this command should be highlighted. Okay, now I'll add close all items, and then I'll click on add. So collapse this group. These are certain commands which you might be using or you may not be using. Then copy this folder. So as you can see here, you see minus symbol, a negative symbol here. So you can expand, or if you want to see what all commands you have customized into this latest group, you click on the plus symbol. Then you can see all the subfolders or all the that you have added is listed here. So minimize and maximize, the negative symbol and this plus symbol. Okay, so now you click OK. So there you are. A new group is created after the delete group and with all the commands that you have added. So see the command latest. Now if you want to add this to a quick access toolbar, you can click on add to quick access toolbar. Let's say, okay, so likewise, if you want, you can add all these commands to the quick access toolbar. See, right now I've clicked on the group latest, and then I clicked on add to quick access toolbar. So you can see this receiver symbol. So when I click this, I can get all the commands that you have added to this latest group here. Okay, that's it. So right now what we have done is, within the already existing tab, you have created a new group and you've added certain commands to that new group, isn't it? So if you see here, home was a tab which was already existing, and latest is a new group that you have added right now. So our next goal or next objective is to create a new tab, and within the new tab you create a new group and you add certain commands. So right now you are going to create a new tab. Okay, and within the new tab you're going to create a group HR and another group admin. And within HR I want to create, or I want to add a new command called new email and plus some other commands. And within the admin group I want to create let's say a new command called meeting plus some other commands. So this is our objective. So within the ribbon you're going to create a new tab, and I would like to give this new tab a name. Okay, it can be you and I. Okay, so that's it. So as usual, right click anywhere on this ribbon and then you click on customize the ribbon. Alright, so I simply, just for the ease of using this ribbon, I'm just clicking on the negative symbol to minimize this tab, and I want to create this new tab after the help button. So you see here, help. So if I want to create, or if I want to make my new tab, or if I want to place my new tab between view and help, means it has to come or it has to be placed after the view button or after the view tab. Then I'm supposed to click on the view tab. If I want to place my new tab after send or receive or after my home button, then I'm supposed to click on the home button. Okay, so right now I want my new tab to be placed after the help button. So I'll click on the help button and then I click a new tab. So by default, when you click on a new tab, it will automatically create the provision for a new tab and a new group. Okay, so right now I'll right click on the new tab. I'm going to give a new name. My name was, what was it, my name? Okay, my new name or my tab name should be UNI. So UNI. Okay, now I'm supposed to create a new group. Actually, I'm supposed to create two groups. One group should be HR and another group should be admin. Okay, so I'll rename my group to HR. Click on any symbols. Just a random symbol. Okay, now I'm supposed to create one more group, isn't it? And its name should be admin. So I click on the new group here and a new group is created. Now I want to rename it. So you right click on the new group and rename to admin. Again, we'll give a smiley face. Okay, that's it. Now the last step. So based on the diagram here, I've created a new tab with the UNI symbol, UNI name, display name, and I've created two groups. One is the HR and another is the admin. So now what is the last step? You need to add certain commands, HR and admin. So to HR, you are supposed to add the new email command, and the meeting command should be placed under admin group. Okay, so select or highlight the HR button, because it is to this HR button that we're going to place the new email. So new email command can be accessed from the popular commands here. So you can see a new email, and I'm adding the new email command under HR group. So you can minimize and maximize using the negative symbol or plus symbol to see what all commands have been placed under the HR. Okay, now I want to add certain other commands like automatic replies to this HR group, and let's say new task, save all attachments. Okay, that's it. So right now under HR group, I've got 4 commands placed: new email, automatic replies, new task, save all attachments. Now let's move on to our next group, admin group, where you're supposed to add the meeting. See, that also can be accessed under the popular commands. So if you don't see any particular commands here, you have to, like I said in my previous session, you can go onto this drop down menu, you click on all commands. Whatever commands that's been available in the Outlook can be accessed from this all commands group. Okay, so anyway, the commands that we have to place now is available under popular commands, and you click on meeting. So before clicking on the meeting, make sure you have highlighted the admin group. Okay, so I've highlighted the admin group, and then I've click on to meeting, then you click on add. Yep. So If you want to add further commands,